So in this question, we have this quadratic function and want to rotate it about x-axis. Let us apply washer method here. In applying washer method, we know that the volume is the definite integral of a of x dx. We can visualize this guy as well if it helps to understand why we are using washer. So this is a quadratic function. X squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. We're looking for two numbers that their multiplication is -2 and their summation is just 1. So x is -2 and x is equal to 1. So this quadratic function hit x-axis at 1 and -2. And when x is equal to 0, you have -2 down here. So the graph behaves like this. This is 1, so suppose 1 is here. And this is -2. And the rest of the graph also is on the left-hand side. And it says, hey, y is equal to 0. So, okay, it takes it maximum down here. This is my graph. And then I have my x-axis as well. So it means that I start rotating this portion with respect to x-axis, because this is my y equal to 0. Very well. So when you do the rotation, this is the object that you're getting. Let's give it a little bit of dimension. Of course, using the washer method is the best method here, right? If you look at the cross section, this is your a of x. You're trying to find this area here. But the area is just depends on one function, which is x squared plus x minus 2. So the washer method gives us the volume to be the definite integral. We already know that this guy hit x-axis at -1 and 2. So -2 and 1. So you get a of x, which is pi r squared, but your r is this function, x squared plus x minus 2, and you just raise it to the second power and then take the integral with respect to x. So the rest should be very easy for you, just pure practice for us. -2 to 1 of pi x to the 4th. And okay, so let me just write this guy down for you here. X to the 4th plus 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 4 dx. Okay, so this guy, the volume is pi 1/5 x to the 5th power plus a half x to the 4th minus x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x, and x ranges between -2 to 1. Let us plug in 1, then plug in -2. Do the algebra. The volume is pi 1/5 plus a half minus 1 minus 2 plus 4 minus, then plug in -2, -32 divided by 5 plus 16 over 2 plus 8 minus 8, and here you have minus 8 again. Okay. Very good. So we can cancel these two. We're happy. The volume is pi times 1/5. And here you have -1/2. Combine these two, and then you get +2. And let's see. So -8 and +8, they disappear. So I just need to eliminate these parentheses and add 32 divided by 5. If I just combine these two, I get 33 divided by 5. So the volume is pi 33 over 5. And if I combine these two, 3 divided by 2. If I take the common denominator 10, I have pi divided by 10, 66 plus 15. So 1 and 1, 81 pi divided by 10. That's how we calculate the volume using the washer method. It wasn't that difficult or that complicated. You only have one quadratic function to deal with, right? Just calculating and using the algebra, taking the integral, that makes it a little bit time consuming. But setting up the washer method should be easy for you.